I just want to share something about social media. So, I guess in social media, parang you get to see people that they're very happy, they're successful because they kept on posting like positivity, positive things about their lives. Yung akala mo sobrang madami silang pera kasi they get to travel to anywhere they like. They get to eat everything that they want to eat. And, you know, the things that they want to do, they will just do it. Pero, you don't know the things behind that. Alam mo yon? Kasing inisip lang natin is yung superficial. Pwede naman kasi na, kaya naman kasi ako nagta-travel because inipon ko yun, 'di ba? Nag-ipon ka para makapag-travel ka. And then, nakakain mo yung gusto mong makain kasi somehow, sa ibang aspect, nagtitipid ka para makalabas ka and makakain ng gusto mong kainin. And kung gusto mo gumala ng gumala dito somewhere or shopping, so, alam mo yun, mag-iipon ka. It's not about like in an instant you'll get the money. Hindi tayo bilyonaryo. Siguro may mga tao na marami talagang pera, 'di ba? Pero not everyone. So yun, I just want to share that like some people are struggling, but like in social media they don't show it because like they tend to be positive, so that ang pangit naman kasi 'di ba parang magpo-post ka lang about negativity, just post about like something nice, happy, alam mo yun.